Want to know why the law of attraction hasn't helped you manifest your desires? What did I do wrong? What steps did I miss? Today, I will reveal the most powerful secret in the universe, the law of attraction, and the other two eternal laws of the universe, to help you understand the principles and operation of the law of attraction, so that you can master the law of attraction.
You are your own power, you are your light. This is a channel dedicated to self-improvement. Here I will share knowledge and practice methods related to self-growth. I focus on practice, so I will create challenge series videos based on each method. I hope everyone will experiment with the daily challenges and manifest the life you desire. Without further ado, let's get started.
Do you want to manifest your desires? Do you want to attract wealth, love, health, or anything you desire? Does the law of attraction really work? How can you really effectively use the law of attraction? Today, I want to use the classic book on the law of attraction, The Law of Attraction, to help everyone use the law of attraction better. The authors of this book are Esther and Jerry Hicks. Through their communication with the non-physical intelligence entity Abraham, they have come to understand the laws of operation of the universe and named them the law of attraction. Abraham teaches us that the universe is a huge energy field, and everything is made up of energy, including our thoughts and emotions.
And the core principle of the law of attraction is resonance, which means that your thoughts and emotions will attract people and things with the same frequency.
Part 1. Unveiling the secrets of the universe. The three laws. The universe is like a precision instrument, governed by three laws: the law of attraction, the method of creating with the heart, and the art of going with the flow. The first law is the law of attraction, which says, resonance, like attracts like. This statement, although it seems simple, defines the most powerful law in the universe. Everything in the universe is subject to the powerful law of attraction. The second law is the method of creating with the heart, which says, what I think about, what I believe or expect, will really exist. Simply put, what you think in your heart, you will get, no matter if you want it or not. The essence of the method of creating with the heart is to use the heart to guide the mind. If you do not understand and apply this law, you will not be able to create what you want. The third law is the art of going with the flow, which says, I am this way, and I am also willing to go with the flow, and let others be themselves. When you are willing to go with the flow, and let others be themselves, even if they give you a lot of restrictions, you are still a follower. But unless you can first understand how you became who you are now, and how you got all the experiences you have now, otherwise, you cannot reach the realm of going with the flow.
These three laws are interconnected, and only by understanding and mastering them can you truly unlock the code to your life.
Law 1. The law of attraction, resonance. Like attracts like. The law of attraction is like a magnet. Your thoughts and emotions will attract people and things with the same frequency as you. Have you ever noticed that when you are in a good mood, good things happen one after another? When you are feeling down, bad things happen one after another. This is the law of attraction at work.
Practice methods. Be aware of your thoughts and emotions. Pay attention to your inner world at all times and identify whether your thoughts and emotions are positive or negative. Transform negative thoughts. When you find yourself having negative thoughts, replace them with positive affirmations. For example, change I can't do it to I can do it. Gratitude practice. Spend some time each day to be grateful for everything you have, which can help you raise your frequency and attract more good things. Visualization. Clearly imagine the goals you want to achieve and feel the joy and satisfaction of having achieved them.
Law 2. Art of creation with the heart. Your thoughts create your reality. Your thoughts are like seeds. You will reap what you sow. You want to change your life. You must first change your thoughts. Thinking carefully about what you want, clearly knowing what you want to achieve, and keenly aware of your own feelings. The combination of these three is basically the method of creating with the heart. The book provides many practical techniques, such as positive affirmations, visualization, gratitude, etc., to help you control your thoughts and create the reality you want.
Practice methods. Set clear goals. Write down the goals you want to achieve. The more specific, the better. Develop an action plan. Break down your goals into actionable steps and create a schedule. Take action. Don't just daydream. Take action and move towards your goals. Maintain a positive mindset. Believe that you can achieve your goals and be optimistic about the results.
Law 3. The art of going with the flow. Acceptance and letting go. The art of going with the flow is not to passively accept everything, but to learn to accept oneself and others as they are, and to let go of attachment to results. When you learn to go with the flow, you will be able to calmly deal with various challenges in life and enjoy the beauty of life.
Practice methods. Practice mindfulness. Focus on the present moment. Accept your thoughts and feelings without judgment. Forgive yourself and others. Let go of past hurts and release negative emotions. Trust the universe. Believe that everything is the best arrangement, even if you don't understand it now. Live in the present. Enjoy every moment. Don't worry too much about the future. The law of attraction, the method of creation with the heart, and the art of going with the flow are like three keys that can open the door to a happy life. When you master these three laws, you can create everything you want and live your most wonderful life. Here's the point. The most important details you've been ignoring.
Important detail 1. Emotions, your inner guide.
Have you ever felt confused and didn't know if you were on the right track? Actually, the answer lies in your emotions.
Emotions are a true reflection of our inner world, and they are also a guide to our happiness. When you feel good, it means you are resonating with your desires. When you feel bad, it means you are off track.
In another video, we will explore the emotional guidance system in detail and learn how to identify and understand emotions and use the power of emotions to create the life we want.
Important detail 2. The art of creation. Back to the present.
Once you understand that your experience is created by you, the first thing you need to do is figure out what you really want. In this way, you can let the things you want enter your experience. If you don't find out what you really want, it is impossible to create with your heart.
Technically speaking, all your creations happen in the present moment, but your creative power is not just projected into this moment. It is also projected into the future. Therefore, if you are willing to stop and figure out what you want in this segment, the road to the future will be more brilliant, clear, and beautiful. Every moment of experience will also become better and better.
The book proposes the segmental focusing method, which I call the 3 steps to start creating in the present.
The segmental focusing method is a method of attracting and creating the life experiences you want by focusing on what you want in the present moment. It includes the following steps. First, decide what you want. Take some time at any time of the day, in each segment of experience, to figure out what you want most. It can be anything from your career goals to what you want to eat for lunch. Second, focus your attention on your goal. Once you know what you want, focus on it. Imagine you already have it and feel the feeling of having it. Third, believe it will happen. Believe that what you want is possible, and the universe will help you achieve it. The segmental focusing method works because it uses the law of attraction. The law of attraction states that like attracts like. When you focus on what you want, you attract more of it into your life.
This simple process can make every moment a moment to realize the law of attraction, make life simple and beautiful, and bring you closer to your goals. Want to learn more about these 3 laws and apply them to your life? I will further break down the content and practice methods so that everyone can understand the law of attraction more deeply. I will be launching a new practice plan challenge soon, and I hope everyone will participate in the experiment of the law of attraction. In addition to sharing my knowledge, I will also be sharing my personal experiences and creating daily challenges to encourage everyone to experiment, learn, and grow together. Therefore, I invite you on this journey of exploration. Let's work together to manifest our ideal lives. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others who are interested in unlocking their manifestation abilities. Stay positive, keep believing, and manifest your dreams into reality. Until next time, take care.